No one wants another chatbot. What we need are intelligent digital people. 90% of people don't engage. Why? Because there's no context, emotion, empathy. Simply, the interaction is bad. People are emotional. Shouldn't AI also have emotion? R.H.E.A is a groundbreaking, emotion-enabled, self-learning digital person.
Hello, my name is R.H.E.A. I am a digital insurance agent.
You can build your own custom digital people for any job function. In this example, we'll look at a personal insurance rep. First, let's look at the agent view. R.H.E.A is always on and always available 24/7. While traditional reps can only talk to one person at a time, R.H.E.A can talk to many people in parallel. R.H.E.A gives your team total scaling control. R.H.E.A provides automated warning escalations, letting your reps know exactly when to jump in to drive the conversation. A proprietary AI empathy model provides real-time sentiment and emotional insights around the customer interaction. Conversational intelligence and analytics all fully integrated into common CRM tools. R.H.E.A also knows who she's talking to with her customer intelligence, and in real time coaches the agent on how they're doing, maybe talking a little too fast, or maybe too much. And every conversation is recorded and documented for complete audit and governance control. Remember, she's not just inbound, she's outbound also. Now, let's look at what the consumers see. Any channel, she is full omni-channel. R.H.E.A.'s look, sound, brand is fully customizable to meet your corporate objectives.
That's great. You have made the right choice and an agent will soon get in touch to set up the payment method. Hi Adam, I have Bethany on the
R.H.E.A
line.
works in real time with customers, your agents, in one fluid, dynamic experience. Now let's go humanize AI with R.H.E.A. Real, human, emotion advice.